Hi, Nat Portman here from natlportman.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a really professional, slick web page for your business, for your product, for your service, for your brand. It is totally free. So if you don't have a blog or a website or any form of technology where you can build web pages or how-to instruction, info pack, something like that, I would definitely recommend this program. It's called spark.adobe.com. It's free. You can upgrade to a premium package to get more add-ons for it, but for a very professional looking web page, the free account is fantastic. I've not used this before. It's been recommended, so I've had a play around with it tonight, and for my first attempt it's taken me around 25 minutes to create this page that I'm going to show you now. So I've just been on a training call with one of my students, teaching them how to use an all-in-one marketing system. Creating the capture page with the Power Lead system. And what this person wants is a web page, so an external landing page to take their subscribers to, where it's just full of information about the company and a very easy step-by-step system to use for someone that is not particularly tech savvy, or maybe you are just a beginner to the whole online industry. Then this is a great place to start. Also, if you just want to put up a quick page together instead of using like your WordPress or what have you, I would definitely recommend this. It's really impressed me. So I've created this page. I've based it on my own, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this with my new members that maybe they don't have a system to use to do this. I'm going to advise them to go to here, and they can simply use mine as a, copy mine, or they can just use it as a bit of a guide and edit and, do what they want with it. But it's a brilliant start. So let me just move that up there. Right, so we've got the full header, the banner of the company here. We have added in a YouTube video, text, a header. We've got videos. We have buttons that we can add in. You can add in images. We've got step-by-step guides here. Look at this. It's so slick, really professional looking, and for free. You can't go wrong with this. You've got buttons here. You can add in your referral link, your product links, whatever you're promoting. We've got text. You can add in hyperlinks as well to your text. And what I'm going to do is show you quickly how to go about it. So you will go to spark.adobe.com. You'll be greeted with this homepage and this little blue cross here. Click that. You can create a simple social media post if you want to use some images and get really professional about your posts that you do on social media. There's Twitter, there's Facebook, there's Instagram, I think there was LinkedIn, all sorts. You can also create videos on here. If you don't want to go to YouTube or use some like Screencast-O-Matic I use, or Vimeo, you can actually create a video on Spark. So, and then what you can do is save that video to your Spark free account, and then you can add that if you want to create a web page. So let's click on web page. And you can create as many pages as you want, and it's just a great tool. So if you are using the PLS system, you can use a done-for-you capture page, for example, and if you want to link it to an external web page, you can just put this link into the PLS system and use it as your funnel. So you can add a title if you want to add text in there, and it's very step by step. It prompts you throughout. Let's click on this button here, and we can add a photo. So I'm going to upload. I'm going to show you what I did with the USI one that I've done for the student. So USI, I've got the new logo there. Click it and it resizes it and fits it. Look at that. So easy to do. So yeah, you can add a title if you want, add a subtitle. You don't have to. I've left it blank because I'm just wanting the image. Okay, and do you see these little buttons here, this little cross? This is where you can add a photo, a text block, you can add a button, you can add a video. So let's add a video. And you can select it from a link from YouTube, Vimeo, or like I said, you can insert it from Spark. If you've done everything here, then you know it's all in one place. So let's go to my YouTube playlist, and I'm going to select the new USI-TECH video. Pause that. So right click. Copy URL, go back to our page, paste the link in there, save it. And it's added the video, you see? Okay, next one down, add a cross. You can add another video, you can add a text block if you want. Let's do register for your free account now. If you click on the text, you can move the text to the middle. You can set it as a heading. So header 1, it will change the text for you, the format. And we've got bullet points here if you want to put some step-by-steps or facts about your product company, what have you. You can highlight it, make it bold. You can put a hyperlink there if you want to link that to something. Also, if you look to the right here, top right, you've got themes. If you click on that, you can choose, let me just move that. You can choose the type of page that you want that can suit your product. For a slick business, for example, like USI-TECH, I would keep it really, really simple. I'm using Baldwin because I like the thick text. So what I would say is, let me just show you something with the button. Right, if we go to add a button, what you do is write in, so let's do register now for your free account. Or let's do register here so they know to click this button. And you put your link in there. So my registration link. Register, and you can put that button in the middle and you can save. Now the only thing with this is, personally, I like these buttons to be large, so very eye-catching. It's obvious, you can see that's where you click to register. These buttons, if you click it to edit, all you can edit is the text. You can't edit the size or the colour. So what I would do, what I've done in the one I've created, let me just show you, is I've put a large text, so header here, heading 1, headline 1 I think it is, and then I've put the button below, so at least they can see this large text and then the button is right underneath it. What you can do in addition is you could make this text here a hyperlink also. So if the member clicks on that, they go through to register. If they click on the button, they go through to register again. Do you know what I mean? So there's two options there that you can cover. Just because this button isn't as large as I feel it should be, let me just show you my WordPress page. So that's my button there, the registration button, but obviously on Spark it's a lot smaller. So like I say, you can put a little heading above it to make it large and stand out, and then the button below, and you can also, you know, create a hyperlink for that. So do you see what I mean? So it's very, very user friendly. So what have we got here? We've got photos, different photos. You've got a glide show, if it's like that. You can like stack your photos together. There's little prompts here so you can see how that works. So you can group pictures together. If it's like a product, an item, that'd be great. For a business, I wouldn't use that if you're promoting an actual opportunity. So let's add another video, I'll just show you how that's done. So let's do just a little step-by-step guide. What do we got? How to register. Pause. And let's just right click. Just loop that. Okay, copy video URL. I paste it in there and save, and it will load the video. It is so simple. I'm just going to do one more thing, and I think that explains it all. Text. Please contact me when you have registered and or set up so we can touch base. You know, something like that. You can put your contact details in, email address, you know, portman.com. Your what else have we got? What else? Oh, of course, social media, Facebook, Instagram, whatever you've got, Skype, put all your contact details on there as well. So you get the gist. I think it's really simple, very professional. It's a great start if you've not got a blog or website. You can use this. So when you've created your page, you can preview it. So at the top, just select preview and it will show you how it looks. Let's just scroll down. See, we've got everything that we've just done there. Click on the cross at the top right to go back, and then when you're happy with it, you can share. And this is, you can, that's the title of your page. We've not put a title on it, we've just left it as the big logo. You pick a category, so business, education maybe, what have we got? Other, how to, I've put mine as business. Author, you can personalize it, you can add a logo if you want. I'm going to just keep this very generic, basic, and then create a link. And it's going to create you your own unique link. You can select copy there, and then it automatically saves your page to your free account as well, which is really great. So when you log in next time, it will be there listed. Again, you can embed this actually if you do have your own blogs, website, what have you, and you want to just quickly create this page and maybe you want to add this into your blog, you can get the embed link and you can just put it in there. So there's all sorts. So that is it. Feel free to have a play around with it, pass it on to whoever, because like I say, it is a free software product. And yeah, just have a practice with it. I shall put the link at the bottom of this video. So yeah, I hope that helps. Some free resource there for you. Nat Portman here, and I shall see you next time.